financial reporting in every organization. You remember when you do your unit 1 and unit 1, when we're talking about different type of organization, both private organization and public organization. So some of them, like we have read, may be linked up, may be interrelated. Some may not be interrelated or interdependent, as you have said, but at the same time, there's one common denominator. The common factor is that each department, and you agree with me, if you remember, if you cast your mind back to unit 1, we have functional areas in an organization. And those functional areas are like a human resources department, production department, administration department, security and safety department. We have different marketing department, sales department, research and development department. So each of those departments have what we call expenditure. They incur expenses. Money comes to them as a float, and they have to record how they expend those money. So the accounting, finance, accounting and reporting system of an organization is very vital, and it's very essential that they don't take it lightly, because there is need for reports to be tender. The report of stewardship must be rendered to various stakeholders in the organization of the organization. You know, I know you have heard about stakeholders. Who can tell us about stakeholders? I know it's a very nice topic. Both in your unit 1, unit 4, we discussed about various stakeholders then. Yes. If you don't answer, I'll be calling names. Who can tell us various stakeholders we have to organization, to business organization? Their financial year from January to December. That's the period when they operate. So, and some company is from, they use a government financial year. In UK, the financial year is always from, I think from 1st April of a year to 31st of March of another year. And that's why you see when your tax assessment is always, when they're going to give you a tax code, they will give you towards the end of April, because April is the end of their financial year, or another financial year starts in April, sorry. So, it depends on the organization, not necessarily that you have to follow government financial year. So, and when you, within that period, financial year is always 12 calendar month. It's always 12 months. And what you do, the business transaction, the running of the company, of the organization within that period must be disclosed to the stakeholders. And apart from the we have various stakeholders, your investors, that is potential investor who want to invest in a company. So your creditors, it can be your suppliers, it can be other creditors like financial institution, banks, insurance, venture capital, and public also, debt providers, governments, and government agency like HMRC. So if your company is a listed company, I want you to watch this. Listed company, quarterly and annual report. If it is a listed company, the person who prepared this believe that in a country where she trying to make reference to,